Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So I'm going to be beginning a new series where I do some Bloxburg roleplays and just show you my builds or other people's builds. You never know. So today I'm going to give you guys a house tour. So first we have my beautiful front yard that I spent a lot of time working on. Don't have a back one because I'm not gonna use it. Maybe I will make one later because I don't have that money anymore. But then I just have this birdhouse, a pond with some lily pads in. Beautiful. Oh, I can't say that, but y'all know the point. Then we walk in here. We have a grass hedge. Here's my car. And I'm still welcome mats. Please wipe your feet when you come in. And there's a jacket holder and a windows. When you first walk in, you see my living room. We have a cupboard here, some plants, a TV with a coffee table, of course, and two couches, and a bit of flowers. Don't mind the tree. And then there's some bookshelves. You never know. You never know when there's some bookshelves. And then we have the kitchen here. A beautiful picture of a ducky. Look at that. My rug, a blender, some pots and pans, of course. A microwave, because who doesn't need a microwave? And that's the kitchen. And then we have our dining area with some delicious burgers. And then we have this very modern picture painting. Then we have this glass wall with some hedges. And then we just have like a little reading nook. Not really actually a nook, because it's just like a couch and then a bookshelf, but I felt like I had to do that. Okay, and now we have the bathroom. First, this light on. No, not that. Frick. Okay, so when you walk in, we see a beautiful rug, a shower, a little cleaner thing. I don't know where that went. A sink with some toothbrushes, a soap and a trash can, another towel, and then a toilet with some toilet paper. You never know. And then yeah, that's my bathroom. Not very fancy. Oh wow, guys, plague. I don't know what's going on there. And then just a beautiful little plant. It's very lonely. Okay, then we have like the still section between the bedrooms. We have this little dresser here with two plants on the side, books, and a couch. First, we're going to go into my child's room. But if I succeed to get one. So first we have like this little dresser with a counter one. The teenagers love that these days. Study nook. Nothing cozy. And then somebody was working on her mouse, and then they decided to have a calculator. Ooh, there you go. And some books, because I want my child to read some books. Then we have just like this little area with some vines, and then a bed, a lamp, and a plant pot, because I love these plants. Oh! Oh my word, I haven't played this game for so long. Oh, okay. Now we have the grand master bedroom. And I'm on my dater, so I won't be anytime worrying about you're taking a peek about sharing a room with somebody. So when you walk in, wait, let's put it on. Okay, when you walk in, you see this little dressing table, and you see a little cactus on it, and some sticky discs. I'm a busy woman. And some just like this getting rarity area. And then some cute kawaii pictures. I love these three back for, I'm gonna have to do that over, but like, okay, I'm in the way. Oh my gosh, this is a disgrace. Okay, then we have this little vanity area, a little trash can, and then a little study nook. Mine is, of course, very neater. I have a lamp here, some pens, papers, and a laptop, and a blue pens. And of course, a lot of books. I love books. Some vines, because I can also follow the trends. And then I didn't know what bookshelf to get, and I thought this was a funky bookshelf. I got the same bed and the same bookshelf. So that is my poster, guys. I'll see you next time. Bye! By the way, do y'all like my outfits? It's my Christmas theme. Isn't that beautiful? Oh my word, I can't even bring it up. Ah! Oh no! No! Look at that. My little pom-pom and the Kim in my mail.